Your big birthday wish was go to Cassadaga, eh?
Yup.
Shout out to my man Brian here. It's his birthday today. Happy birthday, Brian.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Brian. Doesn't this place have a very calming vibe to it, though?
Yes, it does.
Careful, John.
I know.
You gonna get baptized?
I've been baptized 3 times.
I wouldn't doubt that they probably would use this for that.
Probably would, too. It goes all the way to this.
Mm-hmm.
They don't live that long.
What is it?
Cicada.
They actually live like 17 years in the ground. But once they come out, they only live for about 2 weeks. It's gonna be annoying. George Colby and others who formed Cassadaga spiritualist community were part of a movement that predicted the Civil War. Middle classes, reform-minded, and often from the North, they doubted the traditional religion could meet the challenge facing 19th century people. Spiritual offered ways to continue personal relationships beyond death. It also taught the enlightened spirits could help guide the living. Should I read it all?
Where'd you leave off at? By the 1980s, spiritualists had established a meeting an educational camp at Lake Cassadaga in upstate New York, hoping to add a Florida site. Leaders considered locations from Tampa to DeLone Springs, but if it was George Colby's property that was impressed key organizers, and in March 1894, the Southern Cassadaga Spiritualist Camp Meeting Association came into being. Colby himself donated lands for the camp. At the first, some visitors actually camped, but tents soon gave way to hotels and cottages with Cassadaga's leadership's promising and escapes from the rigors of northern winter, and chances to grow along with the new learning center. Annual meetings featured lectures and demonstrations, but just as important was Cassadaga setting students of spiritualism. Said in 1903, camp program would find harmonious, sure surroundings to help them explore.
Hey Brian, you want to read these things?
Really?
Are there any spirits here? If so, hello. I'm glad you're enjoying the music. If you would like to hear more music, make this device go all the way up. Let its colors be shown, let it be vibrant. Would you like to hear more music? Please touch the device in order to let me know.
You can touch either one of the devices to make them go off. They won't hurt you, I promise.
spirits are still here with me, could you please touch one of these devices that are around our area? Especially the ones that are on the floor. Could you walk towards me?
Did it go off earlier? Oh, I didn't see it. The light is wondering.
The air is changing around us. It feels cooler. The sense of the sun that shines against the grass, shimmering with the mildew that has come for the morning. The next song that I will play for you, if you are still here and listening, is called Remembrance. all the spirits that are here with me today enjoy the music. I'm glad you could stay and listen. I'm glad that I could entertain you in the next world. So I hope, with great consideration, that you can move on to a better way of life. Hello. If the spirits are still here and can see us through the other side of the wall, you have permission to make yourself known. Besides that, I feel like they left. They enjoyed the music and they went on their separate ways. I don't feel any more cold air. So in a way, I think I put them at ease with whatever stressful situation they've been through. Is anybody else feeling the cold air around them?
I felt some cold air while I was sitting there.